Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rohiniyar from Chandra Institute of Rheumatology and Immunology. On the occasion of Rare Diseases Day, which will be on Feb 28, we'll be talking topics on rare diseases. So I'll be throwing light on topic of common variable immunodeficiencies. So what is this common variable immunodeficiency? It's a condition where a person is unable to produce sufficient amount of antibody against a disease. So it's like an enemy has attacked you, you have an army but you don't have weapons. So it's a similar condition. So if it is common variable immunodeficiency, why do we call it as a rare disease? It's because the disease as such occurs only in 1 in 25,000 or 1 in 50,000 population, but among those immunodeficiencies it is common. So it is called common variable immunodeficiencies. So what happens if our antibody production is not adequate to the disease which occurs to us? You get recurrent respiratory tract infections, you have recurrent rhinitis, you have recurrent ear infections, and along with this you will have autoimmune diseases. I think you would be knowing by now what are autoimmune diseases through quite talks. A combination of infection with autoimmune disease is a typical characteristic of this disease. So what do you have to do? You need not worry. It is your clinician who is supposed to find out that you are being exposed to recurrent infections in the absence of common risk factors. Along with that, if you have autoimmunity, so he will subject you to few tests where your immunoglobulin levels will be checked. So if it is found to be low, so you will be put on treatment. So is the treatment very complicated? No, the treatment is very simple. So you will be replaced with immunoglobulins. So those immunoglobulins you will need to take it regular basis. So with that you can lead a normal life than others. So take home message is common variable immunodeficiency. Yes, it's a rare entity. Can it be treated? Yes, it can be treated only if detected on an early basis. So suspicion is very important rather than treating the disease. So once you identify it before your target organ damage occurs, you can actually treat and lead a normal life.